178. Now again, you're wearing your whole outfit. When you weighed yourself at 166, were you wearing an outfit?
No, I wasn't wearing a hoodie, I wasn't wearing shoes, and I was probably wearing shorts and no beanie.
You know who guessed 2 pounds less than you?
Well,
I probably 170.
that's not how it works.
That's fine.
Let's try.
So, 175, 176, probably was off.
Love is disrobing. Love it.
This is our review of the Cursor Home Fitness Folding Treadmill. It's nice and compact. It's easy to fold up. The speed goes all the way up to 7.5. It has controls on the handrails for the speed and also to stop and start. It tracks your pulse and your heart rate. It has Bluetooth, and it also has different workout programs. Overall, for our first home treadmill, I give it 5 stars.
This treadmill is perfect other than it being just a little bit smaller. I'm coming from Planet Fitness, but building a home gym. So I am used to a treadmill that is a little bit wider, but over time you do get used to it. I'll say that. It's very easy to turn on, just the flip of a switch after having it plugged in, of course. It'll give you how long you've been on it, how long you've ran, and then how many calories you've burned. And yeah, it's a great size. As you can see, there's 2 cup holders. I do enjoy it, but I probably wouldn't give it a perfect score. I might give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay, Marshall forgot his pants. That's pretty funny. It's no chimpanzee wearing 2 tuxedos. What if you forgot he put the first one on?
So, Karen in New York. Weird, right?
Ted, you cannot get back together with Karen.
I never said I was going to get back
together with her.